Hello everyone, Professor Lohit here. So lecture number 14 today, the continuation of the supervision, that is last class. So today we're going to see the problems of those. So let us see the first problem. A two-lane road with a design speed of 80 kmph has a horizontal curve of radius 480 meter. Design the rate of supervision for mixed traffic by how much should the outer edge of the pavement to be raised with respect to the inner edge if the width of the pavement at the horizontal curve is 7.5 meter. So they given you the design speed, that is V 18 kmph. They given you the radius, that is R 480 meter, and they given you the width of the pavement, that is 7.5 meter. So first step is what? You have to the supervision to be calculated for the 75% of the design speed. So seeing to that, we have the formula E is equal to V square divided by 225 R. So V is nothing but velocity, that is 80 square divided by 225 into R, that is 480 meter. So that gives you the E 0.059, which is obviously less than 0.07, that is less than 0.07 or 7%. Hence, since the value is less than 0.0, the supervision of 0.059 may be adopted. So total width of the pavement, the given is a B is 75 meter. So how much you going to raise? For that you have the formula, na? To raise in E, how much the raise is given by E is equal to B into E, where B is nothing but the width of the pavement as 7.5 meter and E is nothing but the rate they given, taken it as a 0.059. So you get the answer as 0.44 meter. That is nothing but what? This is the pavement and this is the cant you given as E as 0.44 meter from the inner edge. This is the problem. So here we not went for the second step or third or fourth. The reason is that we got the E value which is less than 7%. Clear? Let's see the another problem. The design speed of the highway is 80 kmph. There is a horizontal curve of a radius, how much? 200 meter, and on a certain locality. Safe limit of the transverse coefficient is friction, the given as 0.15. First thing is the calculated super elevation required to maintain the speed, and second one is if the maximum super elevation of 0.07 is not to be exceeded, calculate the maximum allowable speed on a horizontal curve, as it is not possible to increase the radius. I can't be able to increase in this problem. What they given? They can't able to increase the radius of the curve. So radius of the curve is fixed. So if at all E and F is exceeding there, then you have to provide allowable speed here. Let us see that. First check for the first step. They given you as a V 80 kmph. They given you R as 200 meter and F as 0.5. So first let us check for the E value. For that E is nothing but V square divided by 225 R. So V is how much they given? 80 square divided by 225 into R is 200. So let us check how much you are going to get. If you calculate, you are going to get as 0.142, which is greater than 0.07. So maximum allowable is limited to the 0.07. So this exceeding, so I go for the next step. Check the lateral friction. So in second steps, you have the lateral friction as that is F is V square divided by 127 R minus E. E is nothing but 0.07. This is the extension of the formula of E plus F V square divided by 127 R only. Clear? I have to find F. Either your E has to be kept as 0.07 because that is the maximum which is allowable. So I have taken this side, it becomes minus. Same formula here. Understood? Next, for that, to check the lateral friction, V is 80 square, that is velocity, 127 into R is radius, 200 minus 0.07. See to that, check that whether you are going to get the answer in less than 0.15. So when you calculate, you are going to get the answer as around 0.18, which is again greater than 0.15, that which is restricted for the lateral friction. So in that condition, I have to go for the next is to determine the maximum allowable speed, that is VA, that is given by VA is equal to root of 27.94 R. Okay, you are going to get it around 74.75. R is 200 kmph. So hence the speed may be restricted to less than 74, or you can keep it as a 70 kmph at curve. Even this formula is derived from same formula only. How this formula is derived? E plus F is V square divided by 127 R. I want this V, that is allowable speed. So you know this values 0.07 plus 0.1, that is becomes 0.22 VA square divided by 127 R. So if I take this here, this equation becomes VA square is equal to 127 R into 0.22, that is nothing but VA is equal to root of 27.94 divided by R. Clear? This is how the problem to be solved. I have to solve first to check for the E. Next, if it is exceeding there, go for the along with check the F, that is lateral friction. If both are exceeding, then keeping the E and F as a constant, restrict the speed, that we call as a allowable speed. Okay, thank you for your patience.